Hi, this is Sharon at Fitinfun.com. I'm in the departure lounge at Dang Muang Airport. The ones for gate 1 to 6. And as you see, there's a lot of people here. Here's the line for gate 3, where I'm going to Yangon. It's close to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. My flight's supposed to be already pretty much done, but we're just getting in and they just closed the door, so I don't think there's enough buses, something like that. So here we go. And I've had a really good airport day so far. I'm hoping for the best, and they just opened that door again. And now we're all going again. I haven't been checked yet, so I'm gonna get in line so they don't think I'm a bad person. And yeah, so I'm going to Myanmar for the second time in my life, and the second time in 3 months. I was here in February, and now it's May. And here we go. Wait for this crowd of ladies to move. Okay. And these people, look how many are eating corn on the cob, like in the airport. Corn on the cob, people. I have not ever thought of that. A lot of them. So, apparently it's not weird. And, yeah. And then there's the buses, and the buses will take us to the tarmac, and the tarmac will take us to stairs to the plane. Be sure to fit in fun no matter what.